I just made it into Modern Toilet, which is a restaurant that is themed as a bathroom. So I just got off at Zhongshan Station and I am going to explore this part of town. I want to find something to eat and then we'll see what happens from there. Taiwanese street food is closely connected with people's life and culture. So I visit the local night market as I fulfill my insatiable appetite. The first night market I visit was the Ningxia night market. So I'm gonna try this. Man, that is amazing. Amazing. I tried the steamed pork dumplings. The folded dumpling skin with juicy filling make the Taiwanese delicacy known around the world. I explore north coast of Taiwan. Despite the rain and dismal settings, I was introduced to a series of locations by a driver named Tommy, a local who was eager to show me the outskirts of Taipei City.
Hello, I'm Tommy, KKD the tour driver. Welcome to Taiwan.
Taiwan. The lush green landscape of Taiwan mesmerizes me into exploring deep into the mountains. On my last day in Taipei, Taiwan, luck was on my side as I made new friends from the Philippines. Angela and company are about to go on a ride on the Malkong gondola. Taiwan was a new experimentation of food tasting, culture experiencing, and adventure seeking. A melting pot destination of all people, friendly smiling faces, all eager to learn from one another. This is a must-go-to location.